Imagine a gentle rain falling on a forest. It sounds refreshing, doesn't it? But what if that rain was not pure? What if it carried hidden dangers? This is the reality of acid rain. Acid rain is a serious environmental problem. It affects many parts of the world. It is a silent threat, often unnoticed until its damage is done. This essay will explore acid rain and its impact on our planet. We will examine its causes and its devastating effects. We will also look at solutions and the progress being made. Rain is naturally slightly acidic. This is because carbon dioxide in the air dissolves in water. However, acid rain is much more acidic. This is due to human activities. When we burn fossil fuels, we release harmful gases into the atmosphere. These gases include sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. These gases react with water, oxygen, and other substances in the atmosphere. This forms sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These acids then fall to the earth as acid rain. Acid rain can also fall as snow, fog, or even dry particles. It is a global problem carried by winds across continents. Acid rain has a devastating impact on our environment. One of the most significant impacts is on our soil and water bodies. When acid rain falls on the ground, it seeps into the soil. This increases the soil's acidity. Acidic soil makes it difficult for plants to absorb nutrients. This weakens plants and makes them vulnerable to diseases. Acid rain also pollutes our rivers, lakes, and oceans. It makes the water acidic, harming fish and other aquatic life. Many aquatic species cannot survive in acidic water. Acid rain doesn't just damage nature, it also harms our infrastructure. Buildings, monuments, and statues are all vulnerable to acid rain's corrosive effects. The acids in acid rain react with the materials used in construction. This leads to erosion and discoloration. Ancient monuments and historical buildings are particularly at risk. The economic costs of this damage are significant. Repairing and restoring damaged structures is expensive. Acid rain is a silent destroyer of our cultural heritage. While acid rain does not directly harm our skin, the pollutants that cause it are detrimental to our health. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are respiratory irritants. These pollutants can cause a range of health problems. These include asthma, bronchitis, and heart disease. Children and the elderly are particularly vulnerable. Acid rain can also contaminate our drinking water. This can lead to health problems if the water is not treated properly. The impact of acid rain on human health is a serious concern. Agriculture is the backbone of our society. It provides us with food and sustains our economies. However, acid rain poses a significant threat to agriculture. Acid rain damages crops, reducing yields and impacting food security. It also leaches essential nutrients from the soil, making it less fertile. Farmers face significant challenges due to acid rain. They need to find ways to mitigate its effects and protect their crops. This often requires costly measures. The good news is that we are making progress in combating acid rain. Governments and industries have implemented measures to reduce emissions. These measures include using cleaner energy sources, installing scrubbers in power plants, and promoting energy efficiency. International agreements, like the Convention on Long-Range Transboundary Air Pollution, have also played a crucial role. These efforts have led to a significant reduction in sulfur dioxide emissions. As a result, acid rain is less of a problem today than it was a few decades ago. While we have made progress, the fight against acid rain is far from over. We need to continue to reduce emissions and mitigate its effects. This requires continued investment in research and development, technological innovation, and international cooperation. We also need to raise awareness about acid rain and its impact. Education and advocacy are crucial in encouraging individuals, businesses, and governments to take action. Acid rain is a complex environmental problem with far-reaching consequences. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the impact of human activities. We all have a role to play in combating acid rain. We can make sustainable choices in our daily lives, support policies that promote clean energy, and advocate for a healthier planet. By working together, we can protect our environment and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.